a lot of new faces we can build the next building from. And do the same here. I will hit E and Y, because now we will move the new faces on the Y-axis. I'll repeat the step, extrude the face and move it on the Y-axis, and repeat it at another time. So now we go back into face selection mode, and I'll leave at least 2 planes between the buildings. So I will select these ones and extrude the region, make it a little lower so that we are able to jump from the second building to this one. We must be able to reach this little platform from this building. So now we've extruded and we have our blocky building again. So now I go back into edge selection mode and move the edges along. Of course, you're also able to leave it the way just the way you like. So now I will create third building. Extrude the faces. It's a little lower than the last building, and I will move the edges again. This will become a smaller building than the last one. And I'll add another platform. Which will help you reaching the top. And I'll extrude these faces again. You've seen that the axis was wrong, so I hit the Z button to make it move along on the Z axis again. You can also move on the X or Y axis, but this wouldn't make sense, so and just move it along on the vertical z-axis. So Mario should be able to jump on this platform and so forth and so on. So we could now go into vertex selection mode, and now I will build a bridge between these two buildings. So I say by using the creating face tool, which you've learned in the last tutorial about. So I just select 4 vertices which I'd like to connect and hit the F button. So now we've created a new face. The problem with this will be that planes, when you will assign a texture later, we will have the problem that only the top side of this plane will be assigned a texture. So you can now leave it the way it is now, but if we wanted to have a texture on the bottom side, we would need to make a box out of it by extruding and building a block out of it. But for now we will just leave it the way it is. So in order to make the buildings not as flat as they are now, we can select edges and so on and move them up a little bit. You see that it isn't as flat as before anymore. Do the same with this one. And so on.